In today's video, I'll show you how to create an event on Calendly. First, open your browser and go to the official Calendly website, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the scheduling page. Next, click the Create button and choose the event type you want to set up. After selecting an event type, the event editor will appear on the right side of the screen where you can customize all the event details. Start by editing the event name so it clearly describes your meeting. You can also choose an event color to easily identify it, then set the duration by selecting how long the meeting will last. In the location section, choose how and where the meeting will take place, such as Zoom, phone call, or in person. If you prefer video conferencing but haven't connected your tool yet, you can integrate it later through the integration settings. Next, adjust the availability to control when this event can be booked. You can use your default working hours or set a custom schedule. Then select the host or hosts who will run the meeting. If you want more control, click More Options to open additional settings. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview of your booking page so you know exactly how it will look to invitees. Once everything is set, click Save Changes and your new event will be ready to share. And that's it. That's how you create an event on Calendly. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.